Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a fun Amazon unboxing and I'm always super excited because I love new things, but this I am hoping will help me a lot with my plein air painting. But it's not an art material. It is an electronic thing. So take a guess what you think it is, what you might know because of the thumbnail, right? So yeah. Anyway, very excited. I waited all day yesterday because I got a notification in the morning saying it was out for delivery. So I stayed home all day. And then it didn't get delivered until after 8:30 p.m. at night. So yeah, look what we have here. And I'm just going to get rid of this box. These are a set of smart glasses by a company called Early Sincere. So these are not the top of the line smart glasses like Meta, but they're not the bottom of the line either. These glasses were regular $199.99 Canadian, so just under $200, like 1 penny below. But I had a coupon, so I got it for $159. And I could have got an extra $25 off because I forgot I had an Amazon gift card. But oh well, that'll be for something else in the future. So let's open this up. I hope these work. Now, we aren't going to get to see what they look like working-wise today. Today is strictly an unboxing because they're smart glasses, so I'm going to have to plug them in and let them charge before I could test them out. But I am very excited to do that, and hopefully tomorrow I can record another video and show how they work. Maybe go outside or try to do some plein air painting in the yard or in the car. So, Early Sincere smart glasses. Time for the reveal. So excited. Look at this nice packaging with the little gold at the edge, the little rim. So here it says again, Early Sincere smart glasses. And I guess that's just a paper. And there they are. They're just a pair of black regular glasses. And the only way you could tell they're smart glasses is this light comes on when they're recording. So this records video and still pictures. And it has AI built right in. So they look pretty cool. I used to have a pair of glasses like this. So they have AI built in, and the AI can this is like Star Trek, you guys. It can translate languages for you on the fly. And also can identify things for you. So this is what they look like. They look really cool. They're hefty, but they're not like... It's not like VR glasses by any means. But they are much heavier than my normal standard sunglasses or my reading glasses or my driving glasses. They're much thicker, and that's because they have tech inside. So they have a button here at the top, and then they have a bunch of lines here, and there's something on the side right here. And then on the inside, what does it say? I can't get it close enough. But anyway, there's some information. The hinges look sturdy. I'm just going to try them on. I know you can't see, but they don't pinch my head or my nose at all. They feel really good on. So, yeah, that's good. Let's take them off again. So, I'm surprised they didn't come with a little carrying case for them other than this box. Because the other set that I was looking at was by a company called Booby. Something like that. And I almost got those ones, but this one seemed like it did more. But that other set, I think it came with a little eyeglass carrying case. I'm surprised this didn't. It came with this little bag. But honestly, I'll just keep it in this box when they're not in use, I guess. So here's the little bag. It's nice and silky soft. So smooth. Velvety. And it says Early Sincere on it. It's just a line from where it was folded. But very nice and soft to protect the glasses. And it comes with a little cleaning cloth. I like when glasses come with this. So it comes with this nice little soft cleaning cloth, a microfiber cloth in black. It comes with a manual that I can't read at all without my glasses on. So I can't even tell you anything about it. So I'll have to put my glasses on to read that. And I believe this is the charging port. Yes, it is. So it comes with this. So this is the end that goes into the glasses. And this is the end that you plug into a computer or anything that holds that. And then you charge them up. And I will not be able to test these out until I charge them up. But I'm very excited about it. So I don't know yet whether I'll just put this as an unboxing on my channel, a real quick video, and then do a separate video where we test it out, or whether I'll just wait and then test it out and splice the two together. So it's going to be a surprise for me, but I'm very excited about these Early Sincere smart glasses. I think they look really, really cool. They're really beautiful looking.
Hello, Chickie. Hi, how are you? Long time no see, chickadee dee. Hi. Oh, I love you guys so much. I love you guys so very much. Hi. Hi.
And I'm excited. And I can't wait to try them. And I'm really hoping that this will help me to record some of my art videos when I'm sitting in the car, sitting outside. Now, I won't be able to record all of them, just some clips, because the most you could take is a 12-minute video, and they recommend doing a series of 3-minute videos. So, but that's okay, because I don't have to film the whole thing all the time. I could just film a little bit of the sketching, a little bit of the painting, and I can use my phone to film all the scenery. So yeah, I just splice them together. I think that's really cool, and I'm excited. And also, I go for a lot of walks, nature walks, and I'm really bad at remembering things. So even though I have books that show me how to identify plants and animals and birds, I forget. Every year I relearn the same thing. So with these, I can just look at them and ask AI, and it's supposed to tell me what I'm looking at, which I think is super cool. Anyway, that is it for the unboxing portion. I don't know whether I'll do 2 videos or 1. But just in case there's only one, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Happy shopping. Happy whatever it is you love doing. Bye, guys.